Look what Litti City just sent me. This is a play doctor set, ages for 3 to 5-year-olds. And look how nice this is. This comes with a lab coat for size 3T, as well as glasses, a stethoscope, band-aids, and a band-aids case too. And it also has an ID badge too. How cool is that? And you can even put your child's photo inside it as well. So let's take a peek. Look how nice this set is. It comes with all these great items. It comes with this book, and this says Litti Doctor Benny. Very nice. It also comes with these glasses. How cute. It also comes with this ID tag, perfect for the doctor. Doctor's in the house. And it also comes with this bandage case with these band-aids. And look how cute that is. Awesome. And it has this band-aid case where you can put the band-aids inside it. Too cute. It also comes with this stethoscope. So nice. Boom, 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 boom. And of course, what doctor or veterinarian wouldn't be complete with a lab coat? How cute is this? It even has the emblem and buttons and really good quality material, nicely seamed. Let me show you a close-up of everything you're going to receive. Here's a close-up of the lab coat, and it has the logo as well as buttons, has a collar, and look at the quality of this stitching. Very nice. It also has 2 pockets as well. This is your ID badge, and you can easily slip in your child's photo. It also has these cute play glasses. Adorable. And it also has this cute stethoscope. So perfect. And it also has this band-aid case. And you can put the band-aids inside it. And let me show you how cool these band-aids are. It just goes right around their wrist. How cute is that? So perfect. And it also comes with this book, Litti Doctor Benny. And look how adorable this is. It's about a boy that wants to become a doctor one day. Perfect for any children dreaming of becoming a doctor, veterinarian, or pediatrician. This set is absolutely amazing and so super cute and adorable. This would be great for playtime as well as for Halloween too. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.